Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. The area bounded by curve y equals to x squared minus 4 everything to the power of 2 and the x-axis revolves about the y-axis. Find the volume. So now I will show you. First, we need to graph the function y equal to x squared minus 4 to the power of 2. The graph should be like this. So we know that when s equal to number 2 or s equal to negative number 2, y equal to number 0. And we know that this is about the symmetric. So we just concentrate about one location in here, because when they revolve around about y-axis, this one is similar for the right. So I will go to the integration from 0 to number 2, but this is revolves about the y-axis, so we can use about shell method. So the formula of this one, that's about v equals to 2p, and we have s, and then we have this function going here. Now we can calculate about this one. So we need to expand this one in here, and we have s to the power of 4 minus ax squared plus number 16, and we have the s. So about s multiplied by s to the power of 4 s squared and number 16. And now we have the final answer. The integration of s to the power of 5, we have s to the power of 6 over 6. This one we have number 4 over 4. And the last one is about 16x squared over 2. And then we put the bounds from 0 to number 2. So I will put number 2 going here for the top, and number 0 for the bottom in here. We calculate about this one, and we have 64b over 3. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.